Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him. Don't fret when men succeed in their ways as they work their wicked schemes, as they work their wicked schemes. Better the little righteous have than the wealth of wicked men, for God will break their power down, but the righteous He upholds, the righteous